Hello and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on so that you can get the notification about my new tutorials. So as our system requirements are done, you can see from the last tutorial, the part 1, we have all our system requirements completed. Now the next step is to do the installation. So to do the installation, we are going to of course have your license certificate. So the key, whatever you have normally, Matrix42 sends you certificate files as per your procurement, what you have procured. You will have all those available over here. So that is going to be copied to the location which we are going to have once we have the installation running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the setup now. In fact, before that, I will just give this server a restart. So you need to make sure you restart this server. So my system is back now. I'm going to run the installation. Just to let you know, the extraction of this will take time. Of course, it's not like couple of minutes job. It takes little time to extract the file and prepare for the installation. So I'm going to pause this video and skip this whole part till we get the extraction done. Extraction of files and preparation for installation is about to get completed. Once this is completed, we are going to have our installation wizard. Right, so this is completed and now it is just loading our installation wizard. You can change your language over here as per your requirement. I'm going to go with English USA. I'm going to launch the installation process. Of course, it has picked up the user which I'm using. I'm not going to use this user, so rather I would use this account. In fact, I should have executed it with different user, but forgot to do that, but it's fine. I can make use of this user over here. Now this part is where you can put your license key. As I said, mostly they will send you the certificates, so you can browse to this location and copy your certificates over here. So in my case, I'm going to copy all my certificates. Of course, I'm going to hide what I have over here and copy them to this location. You will not see what certificates do I have because I'm going to blur this image. So you will only see that all of them are there, whatever certificates I am entitled to. I'm going to click on next over here. I'll say SASM administrator. I'll name it as, and the email address is sasamadmin@justtech.talk. Windows account, I'm going to use sasamadmin. This user which I'm using definitely have local administrative rights, so that's why I'm using that. Over here I'm going to use my SMTP server. So in my case, my SMTP server is localhost, and let's give these credentials, and I'm going to click on next. It will check if my email system is reachable and I'm able to use this, but it seems object reference has some issue. Let me do one thing and see if this works. Yeah, So it has worked. If you see, I have put 127.0.0 because my HMail server is installed on the same server for the testing purpose. So I have click on next over here. Now this is for your database server. In my case, of course, my database server is not this one, so I'm going to do db dot just dot talk, and I'm going to use my Windows authentication or SQL authentication. I am going to use my SA account over here. It will create these different databases. I'm going to click on next. It will check if I'm able to reach, and here it will try to connect to my DB server, and then try to connect my reporting service also. And I'm going to click next over here. It is going to create analysis service DB also. You remember I told you analysis service is very important. If this is not there, it is going to throw you an error. So for now, I'm going to use self-signed certificate. You can replace your own certificate also over here. And I'm going to click over here to create a password for self-sign. Just retype it. Click next. Now this is for security purpose. If somebody tries to do failed login attempts, you can log that account and unlock account automatically after 10 minutes or let's say 20 minutes based on how you would like to set it up. Click next. Now this is my STS service token basically secure token service. Normally I don't change anything over here. I click on next. In memory, readers cache, these are default. I don't again change these options. For single instance, it is recommended you utilize built-in memory cache, which I'm going to use. So I have single instance, I'm not going to do any changes, and click next. And this is the summary of my installation settings, which I have kept, and so on. And of course, the licenses what I have will be shown over here. Again, I will blur this part because I don't want to show you what licenses do I carry. And I'm going to click on next, and it will start the installation of my Matrix42 Digital Workspace Management. Based on what licenses I'll have, I will have all those components enabled and available for me. Again, here you just need to wait because it will take little time. There are a lot of things which needs to get installed. So basically, enterprise service management is the complete part which is getting installed in my server. So now our installation is completed. Of course, I've skipped the part where it took little time to do the installation. Everything went well. You can look at the logs of installation over here if you want. You can see all of them over here. You can see your license details and other details over here and what got installed. Now close this and click next over here. Now you have option to launch Matrix42 Enterprise Service Management and help make our product better by sending the user. I'm going to uncheck this one and click finish over here. As soon as I'll click on finish, it will open my service management portal. Basically, it is with /WM, which is Workspace Management. So it will take a little time, of course, at initial phase to launch the portal because we have just completed the installation, and once this is done, we will be shown the login page. And if you have enabled, of course, Windows authentication, it will take your Windows authentication and log you in directly. Yeah, so if you see over here, now our web page is loaded and it is asking us to log in. So I'm going to use my SASM account. Let's see if I can log my SASM account. So here you go. our service management, like Workspace, digital workspace management is installed, and this is the self-service portal. And all your applications that you are entitled to will be shown over here to you.
Thank you so much for watching this walkthrough. Please use the comment section below to let me know if this solves your problem or this is what you were looking for, and to discuss more about any of the technologies which I'm talking about. Thank you and stay blessed.